Hi guys, so today what I'm going to be showing you is how to tag everyone in a WhatsApp group. I will say I'm going to be leaving out an important step. So what you need to do in order for this to work is you either need to program a bot, or you need to buy one, whichever works better for you. But I'm just going to show you the prompt that I see a lot of people using. It's probably one of the more common prompts. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to add in an exclamation mark, and you're going to go tag all. That would be the first message. And the second message would be just be a small letter all. So for some bots, that's going to be the prompt, and it's just going to go through to everyone. And of course, the other option to tag other people is you can just go and you can physically select all of the contacts that you want to tag if you prefer to do that. So yeah guys, that's basically the video. Hope you guys enjoyed, and stay tuned for more videos.